We're always going to work with a new spirit of challenge, leading the evolving technology environment with professional group, field-oriented posture, and the best technicians work together to satisfy customers. F5 Solution supports the manufacture using and processing industries by offering expert workforce services for equipment, installation, and setup. We excel in high precision and specialized fields such as semiconductors, secondary batteries, displays, and automotive components. We provide specialized technical personnel tailored to the production environment and project scale of each client, supporting all stages of installation, assembly, testing, and commissioning. By thoroughly analyzing the client's requirements and delivering customized solutions, we ensure optimal results. This enables our clients to achieve both enhanced productivity and stable operations. We have accumulated years of experience across various industries, allowing us to anticipate potential challenges and respond swiftly and accurately. Our proven expertise ensures smooth and efficient project execution. We believe that people are the key to delivering top-quality technician dispatch services. F5 Solution rigorously selects skilled technicians and provides them with up-to-date training on the latest industry trends and technologies to meet the highest client standards. Our experience extends beyond domestic projects to include international operations. We accommodate different environments and standards to support global equipment, setup and installation, overcoming language and cultural barriers to deliver the best possible service. In the setup process, safety and quality are paramount. F5 Solution has built a robust safety management system and quality control process that earns our clients' trust. All our work complies with relevant laws and international standards, and we implement continuous monitoring to prevent accidents and ensure the highest quality outcomes. We are more than just a technician dispatch service. At F5 Solution, we see ourselves as a partner in your growth and success. Equipment setup is not just a one-time task, it's the foundation for your long-term success. That's why we strive to deeply understand your needs and provide the best talent and expertise, becoming a trusted partner for mutual growth. Moving forward, we are committed to upholding our values of professionalism, trust, and innovation as we continue to grow and evolve. With F5 Solution by your side, your projects will be completed more safely, more quickly, and more efficiently. Thank you.